Find free rational numbers between 2 and 3 by mean method. If a and b are two numbers, then mean is equal to a plus b by 2. We are asked to find three rational numbers between 2 and 3. First, let us find one rational number between 2 and 3. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. Rational number between them is equal to 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 plus 3 is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is the rational number between 2 and 3. So write them in ascending order: 2, 5 by 2, 3. Now let us find the rational number between 2 and 5 by 2. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5 by 2. Rational number between 2 by 1 and 5 by 2 is equal to 2 by 1 plus 5 by 2 by 2. Now add the numerator by finding the LCM of 1 and 2. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So write 2 here. 2 when divided by 1, we get 2. Multiply the numerator with 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So write 4 here. Plus, now divide 2 by these 2. 2 when divided by 2, we get 1. Multiply the numerator with 1. 5 into 1 is equal to 5 by 2. 4 plus 5 by 2 by 2 is equal to 4 plus 5 is 9 by 2 by, we can write this 2 as 2 by 1. Now 9 by 2 by 2 by 1 means 9 by 2 divided by 2 by 1. When a fraction is divided by another fraction, it means multiplication of the fraction in the numerator with the reciprocal of the fraction in the denominator. That is equal to 9 by 2 into reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. So 9 by 2 into 1 by 2. 9 into 1 is 9 by 2 into 2 is 4. So 9 by 4 is the rational number between 2 and 5 by 2. So write them in ascending order: 2, 9 by 4, 5 by 2, 3. Now find the rational number between 5 by 2 and 3. A is equal to 5 by 2, b is equal to 3. So rational number between them is equal to 5 by 2 plus, we can write 3 as 3 by 1 by 2. Now add these fractions by finding the LCM. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 and 1 do not have any common prime factor. So LCM is equal to 2 into 1, 2. So write 2 here. Divide these 2 with the first denominator 2. 2 when divided by 2, we get 1. Multiply the numerator with 1. 5 into 1 is 5. So write 5 here. Plus, divide 2 with the denominator 1. 2 when divided by 1, we get 2. Multiply the numerator with 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So write 6 here. 5 plus 6 by 2 by 2. So we can write it as 11 by 2 by, we can write this 2 as 2 by 1. Now this means we have to divide 11 by 2 with 2 by 1. Division of a fraction by a fraction means multiplying the fraction in the numerator with the reciprocal of the fraction in the denominator, which is equal to 11 by 2 into reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. 11 into 1 is 11 by 2 into 2 is 4. So 11 by 4 is the rational number between 5 by 2 and 3. So write all of them in ascending order: 2, 9 by 4, 5 by 2, 11 by 4, 3. So 3 rational numbers between 2 and 3 are 9 by 4, 5 by 2, 11 by 4.